Does payroll processing cause you to work extra hours each month? Is it a hassle to keep up to date with the changing tax requirements? Have you ever wondered how relaxing and happy you would be if you could generate your staff's payroll in a few clicks? Look no further, introducing PayMaster, the simplest way to process your payroll. PayMaster allows you to save time and focus on what matters. You get accurate payroll according to the bank files. To process your salary and statutory payments, employees can download payslip and secure online access from anywhere, anytime. You might wonder if you need any training. Actually, no training is required. Our easy-to-use interface allows anyone to run payroll. Wait no longer. Try it now and get free demo.